Hello everybody, happy holidays. So we just had Christmas, and these are the locks that I got from my wife for Christmas. And I figured it might do like an open box or out of box open on camera with them. I thought that might be kind of fun. We got a Kwikset deadbolt here, which was one of the first locks I learned to pick. We have some metal trigger locks, which I think have quite a bad reputation. And right here we've got one that I've never seen before. This is a casement window key lock. So look at this a little closer. Looking on the inside there, it looks like a wafer lock, but the sort of lock design itself is a little bit new. So I'll take a closer look at that in a second. I'm going to start with these. So I've decided that I am not going to show how to pick gun locks on camera. I think that's something I've discussed with other people a little bit, and just a personal decision that I've come to. But I still want to see if my tools can open these as quickly as I think they can. So we'll take our locks here. We'll put those keys over there, and we'll see how quickly we can pop these open. Ready? Yeah. Here's one. Ooh, gotta keep going. Keep going. Ah, there's two. See if we can get number 3 here real quick. And there's number 3. Yeah, so these things right here, these DAC gun locks, trigger locks, if you can avoid them, I highly recommend it. I would say in my look at gun locks, they're probably about the second worst I've seen. There is somehow one's worse than that. Next, let's go to this Kwikset. Let's see about this. Yeah. Cool. Put that over here. That looks nice and shiny and new. And I want to see if we can rake it open real quick, because these are the kind of locks that will lend themselves to raking. So let's give that a shot. Oop. Doesn't like me talking smack. Says no you don't. Yeah, sorry. Let's try that down there. Maybe that's the right spot. Rake. Ah, there we go. Nice. Got a little rake open on that. Yeah, I'll put you right there. Now let's take a look at this one, this casement window key lock. Alright. Open this up. Let's see what we got here. Okay. A couple of mounting brackets. This one I kind of want to use a little bit and see how this is supposed to work. Alright. Okay. I've got a lock here. Alright, so I need to put the key in, I guess, to open it up. Let's see here. So it's got a key with a little tag on it that says record and detach. So I guess that lets you order a new key, MD192. Alright. Insert that. That does not want to turn. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that goes up, and then you can move this freely. Alright. Okay, and when we turn the key, it sticks. Okay, can y'all see that? When you're turning the key, you're adjusting that bar right there. So that's actually probably pretty good. That's probably not going to be something you can bypass real easy. I'm not sure about the, locking windows is kind of strange. Oftentimes, I think, like, why are you locking a window from the inside? Is a question that might come up. I'm trying to figure out what a good way to tension this is going to be. Maybe that way? That seems a little awkward. Maybe that'll work like that. And we'll try to rake this one too. Wafer locks usually rake open pretty easy, I feel like. This one might be not true because even the key was jamming up a little bit on it. Wow, that took forever, didn't it? Live and learn. Live and learn. So that last time was super light tension. So it looks like it is not key retaining. Yep. There we go. There's the back. Let me see if I can do this again now that I have some idea of what I need to be doing. So super light. Ooh. Yep, there we go again. So that is the trick with this little guy. Ooh, that took longer than I was planning. Yeah, so humbled by the little wafer lock a little bit. Ugh. I wonder if it would be better if I used a smaller pick too. Might handy. go. Alright, so that seems to be the trick with it. Super light tension. And it won't get jammed up. It's a neat little lock. A little piece of vintage. Let's come back to this. Try to pick this too. Cool. Well, that was longer than I planned. But yeah, that's opening some Christmas locks. Thank you for watching. I hope you all had a good holidays and Merry Christmases and all that. And I'll see you in the new year.